Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Luxurize, and I hope all you guys are doing well and following all the rules laid down by a local governance. Today we are covering a special watch from manufacturer called Corum, which most of our watch enthusiasts will be aware of this brand. We will talk about this in detail and how does it fare with its competition. So let's carry on with the review. So guys, before we start the review, I request you all to kindly subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon to get all the notifications, and so that you don't miss out on any of our new videos. So guys, this is the Corum's Admiral's Cup competition. This watch was launched by Corum to take on the watches from IWC, Big Pilot, the Panerai, and the Breitlings, which were making oversized watches for men. And it's a very unique design. It's got that dodecagon 12-sided non-circular dial, which is very iconic and unique to this watch and the brand. As you're all aware, Corum's got this iconic Admiral's Cup range, along with its iconic the coin watch, as well as the bridge, which is very famous. Uh, Speaking about this watch, it's made up of titanium, thus it makes wearing this watch very comfortable. Lug to lug is 54 mm, but the advantage is since the strap comes straight down, even a smaller wrist can be, this watch can be worn on those small wrists. And speaking about this watch, it's got this complication of day and date, and the second hands at 9 o'clock. So this watch has the precious metal content of 18 karat rose gold on the top of the dial, and as well as on the key on the right side. And these are the key protectors, uh, which can really take an impact in case of an accident. Uh, and it's a beautifully engraved strap as well. You can just see the nautical pendant here, as well as the case back. Speaking about the case back, you can see this cup which is engraved on the back of this watch. It's the stripes that you see is been specifically designed to let the moisture out on those humid climates when you wear this watch. You can also see on this strap there are this wave design, as Corum is an art house in terms of designing. They've got some really unique designs for their watches, their straps, and even if you look at this pin buckle, it's a huge pin buckle considering the size and of the watch and the strap, and again a nautical pendant on the on the on the buckle. So yeah. So this is also a certified ETA chronometer. So it's got the brains and the technology to efficiently function. It's got a 42-hour power reserve as well, which can be energized by manually winding it with this key. So yeah, it looks a pretty good watch, and it's produced in limited numbers, it's very unique. You won't see much of these watches on wrists of people outside. So, and you'll hardly find these watches even on sites like the Chrono 24. So it makes it really stand out. So guys, do let me know what do you think about this watch, which is very unique and different from any other watch which is there outside. I'm really privileged to own one of these watches. So also let me show you the box. This is the box. This is one of the biggest boxes that I've seen on any watches, and it's got a lot of accessories. Which this is where you keep all your papers and all the cleaning cloth and stuff. This is the box in which you can keep this watch. This is the outer case. So pretty huge box to match with the characteristics of this watch. So guys, I hope you have liked this video, and please stay safe, take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon with our next video. Take care. Thank you. God bless all.